Hello, I'm Mihela. Today we talk about a spectacular seabird. The brown booby. The brown booby is a seabird of the booby family Sulidae. Large seabird of inshore and offshore waters in tropical regions around the globe. Brown boobies occur in the Caribbean Sea, Red Sea, and the Atlantic, Pacific and Indian Oceans. They also inhabit seas north of Australia. Head, neck and upper parts are solidly brown except for adult males from Mexican Pacific coast populations which have a whitish head and often an entirely whitish neck. Adult has a well demarcated white belly and immatures has a variably mottled brown belly that rarely looks solidly brown. Often seen from beaches, sometimes just beyond the breakers. Usually plunge dives from a shallow angle, much closer to the water than the blue-footed booby. Breeds in colonies on offshore islands. They only nest on the ground and roost on solid objects rather than the water surface. Their calls are like locally named Bora Sulaviya. I have not seen the brown booby. The Gull-faced green is a large park in Colombo, opposite a beach, is possibly the most popular destination for the people in the city. So every weekends, you find this park filled with people who are just relaxing, flying kites, having fun with family, dining and many more.